Hello guys and welcome to your favorite ma'am. In today's class, we will be continuing with our English lessons and learn about articles. Articles are an integral part of English grammar and I will today help you get a proper understanding with their proper usage. So let's move forward. An article is placed before a noun to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Like we cannot say please pass me pen. We must say, please pass me the pen, or please pass me a pen, or please pass me your pen. So we must always have an article before a noun. So the words like a, an, or the are called articles and we place them before a noun to specify whether we are talking about a specific thing or a non-specific thing. Now basically we divide articles into two types, definite and indefinite. A definite article is used before a noun to define it as something specific, like something previously mentioned or known, maybe something unique or something being identified by the speaker. The. The is the article which is called the definite article because it refers to a specific person, specific place, specific animal or thing. Let's take some examples and understand the usage of the article the. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. By using the articles the here, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. Please give me the hammer. Here the article is referring to the specific hammer. Let's read the book. The article the here it limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. Or I just saw the most popular movie of the year, where the person is talking about the specific movie that was the most popular. Or your friend might ask, are you going to the party this weekend? The definite article the here tells you that your friend is referring to a specific party that both of you know about. The definite article can be used with singular, plural, countable or uncountable nouns. For example, please pass me the red pen. Here we are talking about one red specific pen. The children I know grow up quickly. Here we are talking about the children that we know. He looked up at the sky. There is only one sky and that's why we have used the definite article the here. Indefinite article introduces the noun and implies that the thing referred to is non-specific or general. A and an are called the indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular person, place, animal or thing. So now the article A we use in front of a word that starts with a consonant sound, whereas an we use before a word that starts with a vowel sound. Let's note more about the indefinite articles. Indefinite article is used with a singular noun, to show one in a group, to introduce something new or unexpected. The indefinite article a is used before a consonant sound and an is used before a vowel sound. To get a better understanding of the indefinite articles, let's take up some examples. So the indefinite article a is used before a consonant sound word. Like example, after a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good. By using the article a, we have created a general statement implying that any cup of tea would taste good after any long day. Should I bring a gift to the party? Here, your friend would understand that you're not asking about a specific type of gift or a specific items because we are using the article a. Pass me your pen. Here, we are talking about a pen and not any specific a red pen, a blue pen or this pen. He gave me a piece of advice. Now advice is an uncountable noun, and hence we have used a. My daughter really wants a dog for Christmas. Here, this refers to any dog. We don't know which dog because we haven't found the dog yet. Somebody call a policeman. A here refers to any policeman. We don't need a specific policeman. We need any policeman who is available at the time. Now, an article is placed usually before a vowel sounds or the words which starts with the letter A, E, I, O and U. Let's take some examples. I am going to bring an apple pie. Here, the indefinite article is used before the word apple which starts with the vowel A. When I was at the zoo, I saw an elephant. Rohan is an Indian. In both these sentences, you will note that the article is placed before the words that starts with the vowel A, E, I, O or U. Again, I want an umbrella from the market. Here, an article is placed before umbrella that starts with the letter U, which is a vowel. My mother is an honest woman. Now, in this sentence, you will note that the word honest does not start with A, E, I, O or U. Then why did we place an article and before that? I will tell you. The first letter of the word honest is a consonant, but it is unpronounced. We don't say honest, we say honest. So in spite of its spelling, the word honest begins with the vowel sound, and that is why we have used the article and before it. Other words like honest, we also have honor, are, or herb, before which we use an article and. Now let's talk about some general uses of English articles, like the names of river, mountain ranges, seas, oceans, and all use the before them. For example, the Mount Everest, the Ganges or the Ganga, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Middle East, the Pacific Ocean, etc. Unique things have the before them, like the sun, the moon, and the earth. Musical instrument use the, like she plays the piano, or she plays the guitar, or she plays the violin. Sports don't have an article before them, like we cannot say he plays a football or he plays the football. We will always say he plays football. Illnesses don't have an article, like he's got appendicitis or he's got cancer, but we sometimes say I've got a cold or I've got a headache. Similarly, when we are talking about jobs, we use a before them, like I am a teacher or I am a doctor. When we are talking about countries, we do not use a before the word if the country is singular. Like we will not say he lives in a India or he lives in the India. We will say he lives in India. But if the country's name has a plural meaning, we use the, like the United States of America. For the names of continents, towns and streets, we do not use an article, like Africa or New Delhi or Akbar Road. So we will not say I live in the New Delhi. I will say I live in New Delhi. For the names of theatres, cinemas and hotels, they always have the before them, like the Pacific or the Hilton. Abbreviations use the, like the UN, the USA. We use the before classes of people also, like the rich, the poor, the fairer, the British, etc. With this, we have completed all about articles. I hope now you will be able to distinguish between definite and indefinite articles. And now I am sure that you have also understood the usage of a, an and the correctly. So if you have any doubts, you can leave in a comment and I will get back to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my upcoming videos. Thank you.